So the meth head stole my Jeep, my 92 Jeep the other day. Luckily I got it back. But they cut the cat out and they left it in the back of the Jeep, so when I recovered it, now I got to put the thing back in. So I replaced this cat, I don't know, I have to look at my records, 5 or 6 years ago, so it's not that old. So I think what I'm going to do is just, this is the front, and there's a yellow mark on the muffler, or the cat here, and it goes over to this piece. So I'll just, yeah, just line that up. I can bench weld this, probably get it pretty good. And then the muffler end, I'll put this in temporarily, install it, and then I'll probably put like 3 tacks on it, 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom, and then hopefully I can drop the exhaust down and weld the top. I'll probably weld the bottom, you know, in the vehicle. So that's what I got going on today. It's probably not going to be a very exciting video, but yeah, this is work I had not planned on doing. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got phase 1 done. Got this tacked up. May have to play around with the welder settings. Might go a little hotter, but I got it tacked on there. It's not perfect, but I think it's going to work just fine. Alright, here we go. Let's get this thing welded up. Okay, there you go, folks. I wasn't really sure where to set the welder, but I think I got it. I know I got it welded pretty darn good. Good enough for Nightcrawler Garage. I don't know what kind of penetration we got. I don't know if we can see inside here. I can't really. Didn't quite burn all the way through, but it's good enough for what I'm doing. Okay, so I got the front part done. Let's get this put in. Okay, I got about 90% of it welded. Definitely was not the best fit up. So I just tacked it, and I held it in place and tacked it in 2 or 3 places. And I already welded the back side, and then this is the passenger side. It's welded all the way up to where my finger is. There's just about maybe an inch or more on the top, so I'm gonna unhook the flange up there, and then I may have to unhook the hanger in the back. I'm hoping it'd be nice if I didn't have to do that. I think if I just drop it down a little bit, I can get that top and be done with this. Alright, more to come. Okay, I got the exhaust drop down. Yeah, it's more than an inch, I guess. Just gotta do that right there. And we'll put this back together. Alright. I think I got it all. Oh, did I miss a spot? Huh. I have to watch the video. I think I missed a spot. Okay. Alright, I can't really see anything. I found it was easier to go around the other side and weld that spot that I missed. Hopefully I'm getting all this on camera. Oops. I don't know. Okay, we're ready to put this thing back in the hangers and be done with it. Alright, I got everything all buttoned up. I put anti-seize compound on the bolts. Makes it a lot easier to take it back apart. Some light in here. Got it up on the hanger. Got that clamp with the anti-seize on there. Yeah, so I run a Dynamax muffler, 2.5 inch cat back, and I don't know what brand this cat is. Maybe I can research that if I can figure out how much I paid for it and all that. But yeah, I really like the Dynamax muffler. I like the way it sounds. Some people don't like them, but I do. I think it sounds good on the 4.0 Jeep. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's about it. I'm going to get this thing out of here. Thanks for watching. That sounds a lot better.